Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel where we break down the 10 sources of income you should have by age 37. Are you 37, or getting close, and wondering how to boost your income? Whether you're aiming for financial freedom or just want to make more money, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into 10 powerful income sources you can tap into at age 37 to build wealth and secure your future. Let's get started. Reaching the age of 37 often means being in a crucial stage of financial stability and career growth. By this time, many individuals seek to diversify their income sources to secure financial independence. 10 sources of income at age 37. 1. Full-time job or career. For most individuals, their primary source of income is a full-time job or career. By 37, professionals often hold mid to senior level positions in their industries, earning higher salaries than in their early career years. Key factors that influence income at this stage include years of experience, industry demand, skills and qualifications, networking and career advancement. Increasing income in a full-time job can be achieved through promotions, acquiring new certifications, and switching to higher-paying industries. 2. Side business or entrepreneurship. Many individuals start side businesses to supplement their primary income. By 37, some may have established their businesses into profitable ventures. Potential business ideas include e-commerce stores, freelancing services, writing, graphic design, consulting, etc., digital marketing agencies, personal coaching or mentoring, subscription-based services. Entrepreneurship allows for flexible earning potential and financial growth, but it requires dedication and proper planning. 3. Real estate investments. Real estate can be a lucrative source of passive income. By 37, individuals may have the financial means to invest in properties for rental income or capital appreciation. Common real estate income sources include residential rental properties, commercial property leasing, short-term vacation rentals, e.g., Airbnb, real estate investment trusts, REITs. Proper research, location analysis, and property management are essential to maximizing real estate income. 4. Stock market investments. Investing in the stock market is a popular way to generate passive income. By 37, individuals may have a well-structured investment portfolio that includes dividend stocks, growth stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, bonds and mutual funds. The key to success in stock market investments is diversification and a long-term investment strategy. 5. Peer-to-peer lending and crowdfunding. Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending platforms allow individuals to earn interest by lending money to borrowers. Similarly, crowdfunding investments in startups or real estate projects can generate high returns. Popular platforms include Lending Club, Prosper, Fundrise, Realty Mogul. These investment options carry risks, but they offer attractive returns for those willing to diversify their income streams. 6. Digital products and online courses. The digital economy offers numerous opportunities to create and sell digital products. By 37, professionals can leverage their knowledge to create and sell online courses via Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera, ebooks, templates and design assets, software or mobile apps, membership programs. Once created, digital products can generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. 7. Content creation and monetization. The rise of digital content has made it possible to earn income from blogging, YouTube, and social media. Monetization options include ad revenue, Google AdSense, YouTube Partner Program, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, subscription models, Patreon, OnlyFans, etc. Building an audience takes time, but it can become a reliable income source once established. 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning commissions for each sale or lead generated. This can be done through blogging with affiliate links, YouTube product review, social media promotions, email marketing campaigns. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Share a Sale. Success in affiliate marketing depends on content quality, audience engagement, and strategic promotions. 9. Consulting and coaching services. By 37, professionals accumulate valuable expertise in their fields. Offering consulting or coaching services can be a lucrative income stream. Examples include business consulting, career coaching, financial advisory, life coaching. Clients are willing to pay for expert guidance, making consulting a profitable business with minimal overhead costs. 10. Passive income from royalties and licensing. If an individual has created intellectual property such as books, music, patents, or artwork, they can earn royalties through licensing agreements. Common royalty sources include book publishing, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, music streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, patent licensing, photography licensing, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock. Once established, royalties and licensing fees can generate long-term passive income. At 37, individuals have numerous opportunities to diversify their income streams. Whether through employment, investments, entrepreneurship, or digital platforms, creating multiple income sources provides financial stability and freedom. The key to success is proper planning, continuous learning, and leveraging personal strengths to maximize earnings. By implementing these income sources strategically, financial independence becomes a realistic goal. That's it, 10 ways you can generate income at 37. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content on financial growth, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And if you're looking for even more ways to boost your income, check out the next video on your screen right now.